Hello YouTube friends. Well, I had to show y'all something. Them targets I've been shot a 300 Win Mag through, them things ain't worth crap. I already shot a 5.56 through it, and I've already pre-painted the targets though. I'll let y'all see it. You see the two holes right here, and that's another one. It was just about penetrated all the way through. You can see the jacket, and see where it's, you can't really tell. These things probably still wet. Yep, has been whacking the heck out of that thing. So right here, same 5.56, they're a little bit deeper than the 223s. And dadgum, they went just about slapped through it right there, 3 in a row. Pretty good group. I've been setting scopes, putting them on paper first. That's a 22, and shooting the crap out of them. I already named these targets. This is Rudolph, and I've already wore it out with some 5.56, and it barely made a dent in it. So is this, and this barely make dents in it, but it makes a sound. But the 3 silhouette targets that I have, I don't think I'm going to buy them again, because I don't even think they've been heat treated. If they hadn't been heat treated, they'd have done that. But these targets has not held up, but they've been fun to shoot. Well, you can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.